I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology for board exams. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus and exam pattern. Identify high-scoring chapters and allocate your study time accordingly. Develop a structured study plan, ensuring you cover all topics systematically. Consistent effort and smart planning are key to achieving excellent results in your biology board examination. Next, let's talk about effective study techniques. Visual aids are incredibly powerful. Draw and label diagrams frequently to understand biological structures and processes. Create flowcharts for cycles and pathways. Summarize chapters in your own words, focusing on definitions and important terms. Active recall and spaced repetition will significantly boost your memory and comprehension. Now, let's focus on practice and revision. Solving previous year's question papers is crucial to understand the exam pattern and common questions. Take mock tests to simulate exam conditions and manage your time effectively. Regular revision of all concepts, especially challenging ones, will solidify your understanding. Aim for at least 2 full revisions before the actual examination. Finally, remember to take care of your well-being. A healthy mind and body are essential for optimal performance. Ensure you get sufficient sleep, eat nutritious meals, and stay hydrated. On exam day, read each question thoroughly before answering. Manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate minutes to each section. Stay calm and confident. You've prepared well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.